Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey of opulence and extravagance as we dive into the first test drive of the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600. Today, we're about to witness luxury elevated to new heights. Luxury elevated, unveiling the opulence of the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600 in its first test. In the realm where extravagance meets automotive excellence, the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600 stands as a testament to opulence redefined. As we delve into the first test drive of this automotive masterpiece, one thing becomes abundantly clear: when it comes to luxury, you get precisely what you pay for, and in the case of the Maybach GLS600, that means indulgence on an unprecedented scale. Unleashing unparalleled elegance. From the moment you lay eyes on the meticulously crafted exterior, the Maybach GLS600 exudes an aura of refined sophistication. The iconic Mercedes-Maybach grille takes center stage, announcing its arrival with an unmistakable presence. Sleek lines and a commanding silhouette seamlessly merge, creating an aesthetic that is as powerful as it is graceful. Craftsmanship beyond compare. Step inside, and you are transported into a realm of unparalleled luxury. The interior of the GLS600 is a symphony of handcrafted materials, where leather, wood, and metal converge in perfect harmony. Every surface is a canvas for meticulous attention to detail, from the opulent Napa leather seats to the exquisite wood veneer adorning the cabin. The ambient lighting, customizable to suit your mood, bathes the interior in a warm, inviting glow, setting the stage for an unrivaled driving experience. Performance redefined. Beneath the hood lies a powerhouse that befits the Maybach name. The GLS600 is propelled by a performance-oriented engine that effortlessly translates power into a smooth, exhilarating ride. Whether navigating city streets with poise or conquering open highways with authority, the Maybach GLS600 offers a driving experience that is as dynamic as it is refined. Technological marvels at your fingertips. The cockpit of the GLS600 is not just a driver's seat, it's a command center. Cutting-edge technology seamlessly integrates with intuitive design, placing a suite of features at your fingertips. From advanced driver assistance systems that enhance safety to an infotainment system that caters to your every need, the Maybach GLS600 ensures that technology serves to elevate, not overwhelm, the driving experience. You get what you pay, a lot, for. As the miles unfold beneath its wheels, the Maybach GLS600 leaves an indelible mark on the road and in the hearts of those fortunate enough to experience its grandeur. In the realm of luxury SUVs, it's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of uncompromising indulgence. With the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600, you don't just get what you pay for, you get an automotive masterpiece that transcends expectations and sets a new standard for the connoisseurs of luxury on wheels. Unmatched comfort, a haven on wheels. Beyond the sheer beauty and power, the Maybach GLS600 places a paramount emphasis on passenger comfort. The spacious cabin becomes a haven on wheels, where every journey is an indulgent escape. Rear seat passengers are treated to executive-class accommodations, complete with reclining seats, massaging functionality, and a plethora of controls at their disposal. The ride becomes an experience in pampering, ensuring that every mile is a retreat into unparalleled comfort. Silent symphony, effortless power with serenity. Underneath the hood, the Maybach GLS600 combines performance with serenity. The powertrain operates with a whisper, providing an almost silent symphony as you glide through the urban jungle or embark on a highway odyssey. The innovative engineering ensures that power delivery is not only swift but also accompanied by a sense of serenity that befits the Maybach legacy. Customization beyond boundaries. The Maybach experience extends beyond the vehicle's intrinsic qualities, it's about tailoring every facet to your individual taste. The extensive options for customization allow you to create a Maybach GLS600 that is uniquely yours. From exterior paint options to interior trims, every detail can be personalized, ensuring that your Maybach is a true reflection of your style and preferences. Safety, redefined. As with any vehicle bearing the Mercedes-Benz emblem, safety is a paramount concern. The Maybach GLS600 is equipped with an array of advanced safety features, including autonomous driving capabilities, collision prevention systems, and adaptive cruise control. The fusion of cutting-edge technology and meticulous engineering culminates in an SUV that not only pampers but also prioritizes the well-being of its occupants. The pinnacle of prestige. In the rarefied era of luxury SUVs, the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600 ascends to the pinnacle of prestige. It's not merely a mode of transportation, it's a manifestation of success, a testament to uncompromising taste, and an embodiment of automotive artistry. From the moment you set eyes on its resplendent exterior to the second you sink into its sumptuous interior, the Maybach GLS600 transcends the ordinary, creating an automotive experience that is nothing short of extraordinary. In the world of opulent vehicles, the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600 stands as a beacon of luxury, an unrivaled fusion of performance, craftsmanship, and technological innovation. When you invest in the Maybach experience, you're not just acquiring a vehicle, you're becoming a part of an exclusive legacy that continues to redefine what it means to travel in uncompromising style. The art of arrival, Maybach GLS600, where elegance meets innovation. As the Maybach GLS600 gracefully glides through city streets or embarks on a cross-country journey, it becomes a symbol of the art of arrival. The allure of this luxury SUV extends beyond the confines of its body, it encapsulates a lifestyle where sophistication and innovation converge seamlessly. An oasis on wheels. The interior of the Maybach GLS600 is not merely a cabin, it's an oasis of tranquility. The dual 12.3-inch screens seamlessly blend into the dashboard, offering an intuitive interface for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The Burmester sound system, tuned to perfection, transforms the cabin into a concert hall, allowing passengers to revel in an auditory experience that matches the vehicle's visual splendor. Driving dynamics, a symphony of precision. Behind the wheel, the Maybach GLS600 transforms driving into an orchestration of precision and power. The airmatic suspension system adapts to changing road conditions, providing a silky smooth ride that belies the vehicle's size and stature. The V8 engine delivers an abundance of power, effortlessly propelling the Maybach GLS600 forward with a surge of torque, making every acceleration an exhilarating crescendo. Beyond the horizon, visionary technology. The Maybach GLS600 is not just a vehicle, it's a testament to visionary technology. The augmented reality navigation system overlays directions onto the windshield, seamlessly integrating the virtual and physical worlds. The suite of driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking, transforms the driving experience into a journey guided by intelligence and safety. The legacy continues, Maybach's timeless elegance. In the storied lineage of Maybach, the GLS600 emerges as a torchbearer of timeless elegance. It carries forward the legacy of luxury that transcends trends and fads. From the iconic double M emblem on the grille to the meticulous stitching on the seats, every detail speaks to a heritage forged in the pursuit of excellence. Conclusion, a symphony of luxury unveiled. In the first test of the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600, one cannot help but be captivated by the symphony of luxury it orchestrates. This is not just an SUV, it's a statement, a celebration of the finer things in life. As you take your place behind the wheel or recline in the rear seats, you are not just experiencing a vehicle, you are immersing yourself in the epitome of automotive artistry. The Maybach GLS600 is not for those who simply want to get from point A to point B, it's for those who understand that the journey itself is a canvas waiting to be painted with elegance, power, and innovation. In the realm of luxury SUVs, the Maybach GLS600 is not just an option, it's a revelation, a proclamation that when you invest in excellence, you receive nothing less than a masterpiece on wheels. In conclusion, the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS600 is not just a car, it's a statement. A statement of uncompromising luxury, innovation, and style. Stay tuned for more as we explore every facet of this automotive masterpiece in upcoming videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey of luxury elevated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things automotive excellence. Until next time, keep chasing the thrill of the open road.